In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Grammarly shortcut on desktop. If you use Grammarly often, having a shortcut on your desktop saves time and keeps it just a double click away. We'll keep this simple and clear, and by the end, you'll have a working shortcut you can use anytime. First, make sure Grammarly is already installed on your Windows computer. We'll start by opening the Start menu. Click the Start button, which is the Windows icon on your taskbar. On some PCs it's centered, on others it's in the bottom left corner. As soon as the Start menu opens, begin typing Grammarly in the search bar. You should see the Grammarly app appear in the results, usually with a green G icon. This is the desktop app entry, which is exactly what we want for creating a shortcut. Next, right-click the Grammarly result and choose Open File Location. This command is important because it takes you directly to where Windows stores the app's shortcut in the Start menu folders. Going to the file location ensures we're working with the correct item that launches the app, rather than a web link or a document. Now that File Explorer has opened to the folder, look for the Grammarly app inside. It may appear as a shortcut with a small arrow on the icon, and that's perfectly fine. Right-click the Grammarly app in this folder. We're going to create a desktop shortcut from here so you don't have to repeat the search every time you want to open it. From the right-click menu, hover over Send to, then click Desktop, Create Shortcut. This tells Windows to place a new shortcut on your desktop that points to Grammarly. It doesn't move or duplicate the program itself, it simply creates a convenient launcher that's easy to find. To confirm it worked, minimize your windows, or press the Windows key and the D key together to show the desktop. You should see a new Grammarly shortcut icon ready to use. Double-click it to test that it opens the app. If the icon appears among other files, feel free to drag it to a spot that's easier to reach next time. And that's all there is to it. You clicked Start and searched for Grammarly, opened the file location from the search result, right-clicked the Grammarly app in that folder, sent it to the desktop as a shortcut, and then checked your desktop to make sure it's there. With this shortcut in place, you can launch Grammarly quickly whenever you need it.